Paw Bundle, the first monthly supplement box for dogs. We're going to open our new Paw Bundle that we got this month, and we're going to try out all the toys and treats. The Paw Bundle is a monthly service when they deliver both happier and healthier things for your dogs. So on the happy side, we have some toys. Yes, get it, pull it. Oh, we love toys. Oh, toys are so much fun. Yeah, toys are so much fun. They're so fun. The dosages and formulas are based on your dog's age and weight. Older dogs get hip and joint supplements. Younger dogs get skin and coat supplements. These are hip and joint formula. Good boy. Come here, Isabelle. Good girl. Hey, good girl. Each Paw Bundle contains 1 monthly supply of hip and joint or skin and coat supplements, 1 month supply of antioxidant biscuits, 1 month supply of human-grade probiotic digestive support supplements, 1 doggy toothbrush, and 2 dog toys. What's in there, Twix? You're gonna find something. Now, Twix is going to read you the directions. Good job. Good job. To order the Paw Bundle for your dog, check out the video description.